Seth, stop.
Are you ready, baby?
Where are you standing? I thought you were standing. Ah, honey.
Foodies?
Are you ready
So we could feed.
What's that? What is that? Ooh, it's so good. Ooh, you want some more? Is it still in your mouth or did it all just come out? Make it tighter. Because he's got a collar on underneath. What is that? Is it so good? I don't think you swallowed any of it yet. No, it's still in there. And you have to swallow that first, and I'll give you more. No hands, no hands.
What's that?
I'm trying to make this tighter. I don't think he's actually swallowed any of it. No hands. That's so gross. What are you doing, buddy? Open your mouth, show me. Ah! It's not in there. Oh God, I just got it. Is it good? Do you like that? Is that a good time?
You know, like a bird cloth or something?
I don't think you want to get messy. What do you think? Are you swallowing any of it? I don't see him swallow. Well, is that something I'll see? Like, oh, you're not ready. Is that good? Is that good stuff? Is there any in your mouth? Hey, this is good. You like this? I don't think you need your hands. Oh, yum. You're a mess. Swallow. Swallow it. It's still in your mouth. Maybe if I give him the spoon with his hand on it, he'll swallow.
He's spitting it out the spoon.
That's so yucky. Do you like this? Is this fun? Is all the stuff from your mouth gone? Oh, okay. Would you like some more? You look. I don't think he's doing anything with it. I think he's just going in and just sloshing. Do you want more? Do you want to do it a little bit?
Sure.
Okay. Let him digest this a bit.